My lord, I'm for defendant number 2.
Yes.
Choraria, my lord. I am Milap Choraria, defendant number 1.
इसका ना अर्दली है इसका एक लेटर आया मेरे टेबल में रखा हुआ है. Yes.
My lord, I have filed an application before your lordship. 20 is not present.
You are
Last date,
Defendant number 2. Google.
Who has filed GF4? Mr. Chara,
GF4, I have filed, my lord.
you have filed the GF4.
Yes, my lord.
What is the prayer in the GF4?
To dismiss the suit.
Yes. What has happened to your Supreme Court?
Supreme Court dismissed my petition and I am going to file the application under section Article 32.
Yes. So now what do you want now?
I want to, either they have to file objection or to dismiss the suit.
Who is for the plaintiff?
None appear. Last time also not appeared.
You are for the
This is
defendant.
Manju Manoj.
Correct.
She comes.
You are for the 2.
Defendant number 2. My lord.
Have you forwarded the copy of the order of the Supreme?
Yes, my lord, I have no copy of order not forwarded, but I have forwarded the copy of the petition.
Copy of the petition?
Yes,
What petition?
which I have filed now.
What application you filed?
I have filed application number under 151 to change the honorable court's orders which have been obtained by the plaintiff by misleading the honorable court.
21st February 2024 are required to be modified. Conformity with the respective part of the order dated 11th October 2023 and also respective part of the order dated 26. What is the order dated 18th October? You are enclosed?
I am not enclosed, my lord. Yeah, if you lord say, I will.
That's it. This is High Court and you're filing an application seeking for modification or ratification.
My mistake was going on. I have gone mistake.
So
either you have to give me liberty to file the documents. 15 days time to be granted to me.
And what letter you have sent to me?
I have sent that is why I have suffering for 40 years. I am suffering for last 40 years.
This court is here to give justice. You whatever.
I know, my lord. I have no grievances against your lordship, my lord. I have no grievances against. Supreme Court also says. Supreme Court also says that you have no grievances against honorable judge. You have only referred the manipulation by plaintiff.
No, that's why Mr.
Choraria.
Yes. See, whatever it may be, you proceed with the matter, you file an application, you proceed with the matter. If the court will find, yes, their suit is not maintainable, the court will dismiss. Yeah, you are going here and there filing an application. It is a waste of the time of yours also, the court also, the other party also. Okay, whatever I am giving liberty to disclose them, to file the orders which you wanted to rectification or modification by way of,
my lord, I file
by way of supplementary affidavit.
Okay. Thank you, my lord.
So and so appearing for none appears on behalf of the plaintiff.
Last time also not appeared.
It is I will record. Full stop. So Mr. Defendant number 4. You are for the defendant number 4. You are the defendant
number 1.
Defendant number 1, Mr. Milap Choraria, is appearing in person through virtual mode. Full stop. What is the good name, sir?
Satanshu Panda.
So and so is appearing for the defendant number 2. Full stop. The defendant number 1 has filed an application praying for modification of the order passed by this court dated 18th October 2023 and 21st of February 2024. 2024. Full stop. This court find that the petitioner has not enclosed the said orders. Accordingly, the petitioner is granted liberty to disclose the order dated 18th October 2023,
Other orders also.
21st of February 2024,
Other orders also which I referred.
18th October 2023, 21st February 2024, 11th October 2023, 26/6/2023, 5th September 2023, within a period of
3
2
weeks, my lord. Because 1 week required in postal service.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Within a period of 3 weeks after serving the copy to the learned advocate for the appearing parties. Full stop. It is found from the record for the last 2 dates, none is representing the plaintiff. Accordingly, for the ends of justice, the case is adjourned. It is made clear that on the next date fixed, if the plaintiff failed to appear in the matter, appropriate order will be passed. List the matter on 30th April 2024.
Thank you, my lord.
January. January
In
20.
January. No, my lord. 13.
30, 30.
Okay. Thank you, my lord.
26.